The Otamatone Japanese electronic musical instrument, specifically the Mint Edition by Maiwa Denki Studio, is a unique and charming portable synthesizer that has captured the interest of children, teens, and adults alike. This instrument stands out due to its playful design and ease of use, making it accessible for beginners and enjoyable for more experienced users. It is one of Japan's best-selling musical toys, available in 3 sweet-inspired colors: strawberry, mint, and chocolate, with the mint color being a popular choice for its fresh and appealing look. The Otamatone is lightweight and compact, measuring approximately 27 centimeters or 10.6 inches, making it very portable and easy to carry around, whether for casual play at home or for outdoor activities like camping. The instrument operates on 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, and requires a simple setup. Just turn it on and start playing. The design includes a stem along which players slide their fingers to change pitch, and squeezing the cheeks of the Otamatone produces a vibrato effect. It offers 3 pitch ranges: low, medium, and high, allowing users to experiment with different sounds and create harmonies when playing with others. This feature encourages creativity and musical exploration, making it a great educational tool for children to understand pitch and sound in a fun, interactive way. Users appreciate the Otamatone for its novelty and the joy it brings as a musical toy. Many reviews highlight how children love the bright colors and the instrument's ability to produce loud and clear sounds. It is often described as easy to play, which is important for younger users who might be just starting to explore music. The Otamatone's quirky and cute design also adds to its appeal, making it a delightful gift for music lovers of all ages. However, despite its fun qualities, the Otamatone is not without its drawbacks. Several users have pointed out that the build quality is somewhat lacking, with some instruments breaking fairly quickly under regular use. The plastic construction, while lightweight, can feel fragile, and the tuning is not always precise, which is understandable given that it is marketed primarily as a toy rather than a professional instrument. The speaker quality is another common criticism. It tends to be rough and lacks the richness of sound that more expensive instruments provide. This means that while the Otamatone is great for casual play and learning, it may not satisfy those looking for high-fidelity sound or durability. The Otamatone's sound is distinctive and can be described as playful and whimsical rather than polished or refined. This makes it a fun novelty instrument, but also one that can be somewhat annoying if played repetitively or at high volume for extended periods. Some parents have mentioned that while it can be amusing, it might also become a source of irritation in the household. Nevertheless, this is part of its charm and appeal as a quirky gadget that stands out from typical musical toys. In terms of educational value, the Otamatone excels at demonstrating basic musical concepts such as pitch variation and vibrato. It provides a tangible way for children to see and hear how music works, which can be especially helpful for visual and auditory learners. It encourages experimentation and can be a stepping stone to more traditional instruments. The fact that it is portable also means it can be taken to music classes, playdates, or family gatherings, promoting social interaction through music. Overall, the Otamatone Mint Edition is a clever and entertaining musical toy that offers a unique experience. It is best suited for those who want a fun, easy-to-use instrument to spark creativity and musical interest rather than a serious or professional device. Its affordability and distinctive design make it a popular choice for gifts and casual music making. Potential buyers should be aware of its limitations in build quality and sound fidelity, but can expect a lot of enjoyment and educational value from this playful synthesizer. If you already own an Otamatone or decide to try one, sharing your experience in the comments can greatly help others considering this product. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel and help you find this charming instrument easily.